Blast off, Hayes Rockets. My name is Jashana Johnson. Today is May 17th, 2017. The weather today will be mostly sunny with a high of 91 degrees. Now here's Adric with your morning menu.
Good morning, I'm Adric. Today for breakfast we will have pig in a blanket, fruit juice, and milk. For lunch the cafeteria will be serving for your enjoyment cheese ravioli or ham chef salad with breadsticks, celery, corn, and sliced pineapple. Please don't forget to bring your lunch cards. Now here's Emily.
Thank you. I'm Emily. In honor of Avid Celebration, today I wanted to share some more troll inspiration from our friend Poppy. So, if something goes a little wrong, well, hey, go ahead and bring it on, because if you knock me over, I will get back up again.
Thank you for the reminder. I am Brayden. Please stand for the pledges. Please face the American flag. Attention, salute, pledge. Please face the Texas flag. This week, 5th grade will lead the Shine Chant.
This is 5th grade signing off. Please stay tuned for the rest of the rocket launch. Have a wonderful Wednesday.